on this day, the next day, on the next day, this is our high, and there is no trading this day. Also, there's no, since our setup allows for long-term trades only, no trading. And when you see the market like this, you don't really have to sit by the computer all day long. You can come check on it every hour and see if there is something developing. Like right here, you would know that most likely nothing is happening. And so this is really a very easy way of trading the market, very stressless way of trading the market. Trading foreign exchange does not have to be a stressful thing. You don't have to sit by the computer in order to make money. No, on the contrary, if it gets too exciting, you're doing something wrong. This is not an exciting business. One and two. Here we would have been in. This is the high, and this is the low of the day. So here we would have entered the market. It looks like we have a very nice looking setup. Right here it still made a higher high. Right here it made a higher high. Right here lower. So this is our entry. This is our entry. Our entry is at the break of this height. Our stop loss is somewhere here, 7.5 pips under this low. Around here, and our first take profit is 110 pips. Right here. I don't know if we make it to the second one, but it is possible. No, we don't. And market drops from here. So we get stopped out around here. Who knows? Doesn't matter. But the good news is that we made 51 pips on half of our position, and the market just dropped from here. This is the Friday that we looked at. So this is what happens when the market goes against us, goes against what we are set up. Nothing. And we do take some profit here, even though on this day the market made a new low. So overall, this is a very safe trading system. You follow it and you will make money. There is no question. All you have to do is write, I'm not kidding, write the rules, tape it just in front of your computer, your working desk, whatever, and then just follow the rules. There is no problem. There is no need to try and get in at the very beginning. I was at a member site. I'm still on a member site, but I was on a different member site where we tried to get the absolute beginning of a move, and it's just not necessary. Sometimes you do, sometimes you don't, sometimes you make good money, and sometimes you lose. But when I was on that member site, but it's not very consistent. This is consistent. This is almost every day, or surely every month you will end up with a good profit. Every month you will more than double your account. Even if you are rather conservative with your risk taking, with your position sizing. This being a very stable system, and the fact that I take out half of my position after 110 pips move on the pound USD, I risk on both trades together 5% of my account, which is some would say that it's a high. It's a high position sizing, but my protection is the first half of the position, the 110 pips, which is much more often than not it happens. Sometimes I end up losing a few pips for the day. You know what I do? I close my computer for the day, and I go and I don't worry about it. I take one trade per day, two trades. One divided by two, and that's all that I do, and it makes me consistent profits, and it will make you consistent profit. Just follow the rules. These are the rules. Backtest it. Realize that it works. Once you backtest it, there is no question about you being able to follow the rules. Read some books about psychology. For example, Trading in the Zone speaks specifically about developing a system, a trading system, backtesting it, and following the rules. That's a great book. This will really give you a push to just backtest it, see that it works, maybe make it better. It's possible that you can come up with a way of making it better. However, backtest it. If you can make it better, backtest it, see that the results are better. Maybe you come up with 120 pips on the first move, and who knows, 160 on the second move, or 180. I don't know, but whatever you decide to do, just know that this trading system works on all markets. Doesn't matter which condition the market is. If it's in a correction, you would be kept out by the Heikin Ashi candle that will just let you know which direction you trade. And if it's in a trending market in your direction, you will make at least the 110, if not the 180. So I urge you to just follow the rules, and just and you will have a lot of free time to do other things. And it's not just a set and forget. You have to wait for the setup. You have to wait for the first trade to end, because then you move your stop loss, you take profit, and so it's not a set and forget. But the first trade usually happens rather quickly. Sometimes you have to wait. That's work. There's no question. But you will end up making consistently profits month after month. You don't have to take the best entries. You just have to take the safe entries, just the healthy chunks of the market, and that's it. Second half is risk free. If you make it, great. You put a stop loss and a take profit. You don't even have to be home. You make it, great. You don't make it, it's no big deal. You were stopped at a break even on the second. You took your first already, and you had a good day. That's all that matters. And you conserve your energy and your capital. I use 5%. You might use 3%. I don't recommend using more than 5, because no system is bulletproof. Every system can take